Hello guys, today I have a new product for you to unbox, and that is none other than the Me Basic Headphones, Basic Earphones. And that is overly budget, something you can say that it cost me around 461 rupees Pakistani, and basically it's a sale price. And now today's almost nowadays price is almost 650 or 700. So without wasting any time, let's quickly unbox it. So this is basically, I've already opened the box. So what does I get is basically, first of all, some a pair of earbuds that you can see. Let me focus. So, and inside the box, this is a pretty basic earphones, white in white color, as I've ordered in white color. But there are some other color options available. So, but I like silver and white. That's why I ordered it. So now let's quickly check this how it looks like. So this is basically the MI pretty basic earphones. Yes, and I've tested it, but the quality isn't that much good. You can say that, but it has one more thing is here, the noise cancellation, active noise cancellation capability. Let me focus. So it is a active noise cancellation characteristics. So that will something I don't like about this headphone, that it block every other sound inside. So, and inside the box we have another manual, and that is in Chinese, which I'm not familiar with the Chinese, so that's why I'm leaving it. So these are the pretty basic stuff inside the box, and the box is quietly in minimalistic look, you can say. And I will be posting its review very soon, and I will be comparing these earphones with some other budget earphones that I purchased almost 2 months ago, and that is Ofia. The brand name is Ofia. It's not that much standard like the MI one, but the sound quality of this is pretty much better than the Mi Basic earphones, and it is although quite good quality. You can see, but I think this one cost me 300 Pakistani rupees and much cheaper than the Mi Basic earphones. So if you're gonna buy, you can, I will give the link in the description for both the Mi one and this one. And this is Chinese. The build quality is not that much good, but the sound quality is extraordinary. The bass is high, the clarity is high. So today, uh, that's all about these earphones. And one more thing, I'll be posting its comparison review of both the Ofia and the Mi Basic earphones. Till then, subscribe to my channel and take care. This is Shama with signing off, and you're watching Grooming Logics. Thank you.